Hi friends, I'm Emma. Today, we are going to draw a colorful little butterfly together. I'm so excited! First, I'll draw two round eyes and a happy smiling mouth. Then a circle for the head. Next are the two curly antennae. I wonder what those antennae are for. Now let's draw the body. Then the left wing. And the right wing too. Make sure your lines are neat and careful. Every little detail matters when we draw. Now let's add the patterns on the wings. Every butterfly has different patterns, and that's so fun! Oh, don't forget the little lines to show the segments on the body. All done! Time to trace over everything so it looks clean and sharp. Now let's start coloring. Yellow. First, I'll use yellow for the head. Aha! The butterfly is closing its eyes so I can color its face. Red. Next is bright red for the big wing patterns. Let's color both sides to make them look balanced. Blue for the top part of the wings. I'm picking blue. This cool color looks just like the sky. orange. Then, the lower wings will be orange, so bright and cheerful. Green. The two little circles on the wings will be green. That finishes our beautiful wings. Pink. Now it's time for two pink blush dots on the cheeks. So adorable. Then I'll use pink again for the middle body segments. The last two segments will be green. Green. Our butterfly has a funny striped body with pink and green. So unique and fun. Last step. The two curly antennae will be orange. Orange. So cute. Our butterfly is finished and looking super sweet. Isn't it adorable, friends? I feel so happy drawing with you today. Thank you for being here with me. See you again in the next video.